Browsing animals on that wide fold? Wow. Watching videos? Even better. Gaming. Okay, this is wild. This is the Huawei Pura X Max on HarmonyOS 6.1. And get this, over 55 million devices already run HarmonyOS 6. So how wide is this thing really? And does it actually matter? Let's open it up.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. All right, let's get right into the unboxing.
All right, this form factor screams video. Take Tencent Video's The Story of Rose in 16:9. On an iPhone, you get thick black bars. Kinda kills the vibe. But here, much thinner borders, bigger picture, instantly better. Same with other content. Everything feels more immersive. Even the homepage is optimized. A lot of anime and smart content runs 4:3, and here, the borders are barely there. Switch back to an iPhone, those thick edges suddenly feel very obvious. Now check this, comments. On the Pura X Max, video on the left, comments on the right, both visible, no interruptions. On Android, scroll, pause, swipe. Yeah, you know the drill. But HarmonyOS 6.1 feels cleaner, smarter. Even search follows this logic. Results on one side, trends and history on the other. While most phones stick to a single column, this gives you a true dual column layout. That's real large screen thinking. Short videos? Surprisingly good. For 9:16 content, borders are super thin. On iPhones, you often get awkward cropping, parts of the video just gone. Here, because it's wider, you actually see more. For 3:4 videos, it almost fills the screen. Meanwhile, iPhones still shrink everything down. And it's not just video. Scroll through WeChat moments, most landscape photos are 4:3. On this device, slim borders, bigger view. On iPhones, thick padding top and bottom. Vertical shots work too, though better on the outer screen. Even 3:2 photos look cleaner here with minimal borders. iPhones still add extra space. Now, image and text apps. Take Toutiao. Foldables should show more, right? But many Android foldables just stretch content. Not helpful. The Pura X Max actually uses the space. More content, better layout. Honestly, some foldables still struggle with basics, so this feels like a big step up. Xiaoyi is a good example. Both show image plus text, but here the image is noticeably larger. Open a video, like, comment, favorite, all with one hand on the right. Switch hands, the UI adapts. Subtle, but you feel it. Shopping tells the same story. On most phones, you get the usual top image carousel. Here, images on the left, details and comments on the right. It just makes sense. Now, fold it shut. On the outer screen, scrolling hides the top bar and dock automatically. Cleaner, more immersive. Stop scrolling, they pop back. Smooth. Same behavior inside too. Apps like Himalaya, Demai, QQ Music, Duwu, Zihu, Dragonfly FM all follow this pattern. UI fades away when you don't need it, comes back when you do. Even the dock looks semi-transparent, almost floating. Xiaoyi feels refined. Dragonfly FM, surprisingly precise. QQ Music on this device, it instantly shows how well apps adapt here. Even the floating widgets shift based on what you're doing. Switch hands, controls move with you. Smooth every time. And here's the key. Both inner and outer screens share the same ratio, so no matter how you use it, it always feels consistent, clean, natural. Casual games like Xiaoyi, fun on the outer screen. But open it up and launch PUBG Mobile, now it gets serious. You see more, extra sky, more ground, stuff iPhones just don't show. The wider screen makes everything feel open, less cramped. Go back to iPhone and yeah, it feels tighter. Look at the friends list, 8 visible here, 6 on iPhone. Map selection? same story. 8 versus 6. Jump into a match, same landing spot, now it's obvious. You see more of your character's body. But more importantly, you can see the roof of a house ahead. That means spotting enemies above you. On iPhone, that roof isn't even there. And despite showing more, UI elements block less here. Pretty wild. Switch to King of Honor. In the lobby, 7 friends visible versus 6. But once the match starts, this is where it hits. At the base, you see way more detail. Extra structures, full statues, even their arms. After years of playing, that's something new. On iPhone, it looks incomplete. Move to midline. Here, you see river, jungle monsters, enemy minions all at once. iPhone misses that extra info. So yeah, this form factor, it almost feels like an advantage. Now, content creation. Editing vertical video? Everything is neatly split. Preview left, tools right, timeline center. Clean, efficient. Switch to horizontal, layout adjusts AC. Simple, smart. Then there's Xiaoyi Companion AI on HarmonyOS 6.1. Double tap the bottom bar, it appears instantly. It stays with you in the background. Reading Zihu, it can summarize and suggest answers. Shows up as a side panel. Tap deeper, it expands into a full view. And because the screen is wide, nothing feels crowded. Real life use? Even better. Order coffee on WeChat, get a pickup code. The AI recognizes it. Switch apps, go home, tap the floating window, and boom, the code is back. No searching, no hassle. It just works when you need it. So yeah, this isn't just hardware. It's hardware and software working together. Even on its first firmware, the Huawei Pura X Max shows how mature HarmonyOS 6.1 is, especially with third-party apps. This design is clearly built for modern content. Videos, photos, everything visual. Huawei's confidence here, it comes from how far HarmonyOS has come. A stronger ecosystem means new possibilities. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Life!